Hi everybody, and welcome to our unboxing of the Tabor Proteus Arbitrary Waveform Generator and Transceiver. Okay, so what we had in the box was our unit, a power cable, and a USB cable to control through a remote PC. Let's quickly hook up the power. If we look at our rear panel, alright, so what we have is our interfaces. We have the USB interfaces, LAN, HDMI connection to connect an external screen, and an optional Thunderbolt connection. And our power cable goes here, so let's connect the power. Okay, so now that we hooked up the power, let's turn on the unit. Our Proteus series comes with 1.25 gigasample up to 9 gigasample. Comes from 2 channels to configurations with up to 12 channels. And we can also integrate a digitizer inside, which makes this an arbitrary waveform transceiver for closed loop applications and for receiving and transmitting signals. The unit that we have here is a Proteus 9 gigasample 2 channel. It's a P9082B. As you can see, we have our analog outputs, channel 1 and channel 2 differential, 8 marker outputs. We have S-clock in and out, reference in and out, and 2 trigger ins. These are SMP connectors, these are SMA connectors, and we have a dynamic jumping connector for quick jumping between segments. Our keypad, so we have our function buttons here, where you can go between modes, change S-clock and amplitude and so on. Our keypad button to enter the numbers and the units. Dial to scroll through the menus, as well as cursors. Various functionality buttons here and here. We have a home button, a keyboard for on-screen keyboard, and a touch to enable or disable the touchscreen. The touchscreen is 9-inch. It runs our proprietary software Wave Design Studio for controlling the instrument. And for a more in-depth look on how to use the instrument, be sure to check out our videos.